told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you.
This is how my blood dry turned out on Sunday. And yeah, it's time to go home. Morning guys.
Guys, allow me to show you an upgrade. Let me celebrate this huge upgrade in my life. Samsung A13. Wow, this is a blessing.
And I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay.
I have been using this phone for the past 1 year, 2 months. This is the itel S13 one. This is the hero that started this channel.
So guys, this is my very first new phone purchase because the other one I bought it used.
You could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never.
Have a good day.
Go that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fair.
Guys, it's Friday, the last day that I'm coming to work here, like the last day of work. So on Monday I'm leaving Nakuru to Naivasha, and yeah, let's see how the day has for us. Chilling outside. Hi guys, so it's time to go home. I wanted to show you I have a bag full of rosemary. I'm going to plant this at home, and it's currently 6 p.m. so I want to go to the Nakuru market, get some groceries and fruits. These fruits are the same as groceries. So get some fruits and then head home. See you.
If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
These are the fruits guys I got yesterday from the Nakuru groceries market. The bananas were going for 5 Kenyan shillings each. I got this full batch, and then the oranges were going for 20 Kenyan shillings for 3. And
It's you.
Saturday I'm in church for dance practice because tomorrow we will be performing, and yeah, I'm kinda nervous, but let's do this. I'm coming from practice guys, and I wanted to show you what I've collected again. I've collected aloe vera, which I'm going to plant home together with the rosemary I showed you yesterday. So yeah, let's get to maintain this until Monday because today is Saturday. I don't know, should I put in water or I get soil? Let's figure that out. I have decided to get soil for the aloe vera.
Not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything.
I have just realized that the can that I'm using, or the planter here, is too small.
We still suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days.
Good morning guys, it's Sunday, it's time to go to church, yeah, my outfit.
All I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. 'Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. 'Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. 'Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Are some better days. 'Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
This has been my zone. Yeah, chilling. I mean, the chilling zone. Since I moved into Naivasha, it's so cozy, it's so comfortable. I love the greenery.
One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control.
Thank you for watching my moving vlog. Subscribe if you haven't. I hope you stick around and see you guys in my next one.